Cash App confusion. How do you even add money? Ever stared at your phone, Cash App open, money burning a hole in your virtual pocket, but completely stumped on how to actually get it in there? Yeah, us too. Cash App can be super convenient for sending and receiving money, but adding funds can feel a bit mysterious at first. Don't worry, though, because today we're cracking the code and showing you exactly how to beef up your Cash App balance. So, how do you get that money from your bank account or wallet and swimming around in Cash App? Well, there are actually two main ways: adding from your linked bank account and depositing physical cash at participating retailers. Let's dive into the first option, adding from your bank account. This is probably the most common way people add money, and it's super quick and easy. Banking bonanza, adding cash from your bank account. First things first, you'll need to make sure your bank account is linked to your Cash App. If you haven't done that yet, no worries. The linking process is pretty straightforward. Just open the Cash App, tap the Banking tab, it looks like a little house icon, and follow the prompts to link your debit card or bank account. Once you're linked up, adding cash is a breeze. Just open the Cash App and look for the familiar cash stack icon on the bottom left of the screen. Tap that bad boy, and you'll be staring down the Add Cash button. Cash App will offer you some quick preset amounts to add, like $10, $20, or $50, but you can also tap the little keyboard icon to enter any custom amount your heart desires. Now, here comes the security part. Cash App takes protecting your moolah seriously, so you'll need to verify the transaction with either your Touch ID or your PIN. Once you do that, the money will be magically whisked from your bank account and deposited into your Cash App balance. Pretty slick, huh? Cash is king, sort of depositing physical money. Alright, so maybe you're more of a cash-in-hand kind of person. No problem. Cash App allows you to deposit physical cash at a bunch of participating retailers. We're talking convenience stores like 7-Eleven and Walgreens, some grocery stores, and even certain dollar stores. To find a deposit location near you, open the Cash App and tap the Banking tab again. This time, though, you're looking for the little icon with a dollar bill on it, because, well, cash. Tap that, and Cash App will show you a map of all the deposit locations in your area. Once you've found a convenient spot, head on over with your cash in hand. Here's the important part: you won't be handing over your actual cash to the cashier. Instead, you'll need to use the Cash App to generate a special barcode. Just open the Cash App, tap Paper Money again, and a barcode will pop up on your screen. Show that barcode to the cashier, and they'll scan it with their machine. Then, simply hand over your cash, and it will be deposited directly into your Cash App balance. Just like that, your paper money becomes digital magic. Keeping it secure, Cash App deposit limits. Before we wrap things up, it's important to know that Cash App does have some limits on how much money you can add at once. These limits can vary depending on whether you're adding from your bank account or depositing cash, and they can also change over time. The best way to stay on top of the latest limits is to check the Cash App support website or app itself. They'll have all the up-to-date information on how much you can add and how often. Cash App Cash Flow, mastering your money. Alright, Cash App warriors, that's all you need to know about adding money to your account. Whether you're a digital banking whiz or a cash-carrying traditionalist, Cash App has you covered. So go forth and conquer your finances, one convenient transaction at a time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.